A correct dressing isn't just about following fashion trends, it's about finding a style that reflects your personality and makes you feel confident. In this video, I'll share a comprehensive guide on how to dress appropriately for various occasions and how to express your unique style with confidence. Know your body? The first step to dressing correctly is knowing your body type. Understanding your proportions will help you choose clothes that highlight your best features and minimize areas you prefer to conceal. From the apple-shaped body to the hourglass figure, each body type has its own style recommendations that will help you look your best. Explore your personal style. Explore different fashion styles and find ones that appeal to you. Do you identify more with classic and timeless style, or do you prefer something more avant-garde and modern? Perhaps you're drawn to the bohemian and relaxed aesthetic? Discovering your personal style will help you build a coherent wardrobe and feel authentic in every outfit you choose. Build a versatile wardrobe. I invest in basic and versatile pieces that you can easily mix and match. A well-curated wardrobe includes key elements like basic t-shirts, white shirts, straight-cut jeans, a well-structured jacket, and a pair of classic shoes. These timeless pieces will serve as a foundation to create a variety of looks for any occasion. Pay attention to fit and proportion. The right fit is essential to look stylish in any situation. Make sure your clothes fit properly, neither too loose nor too tight. Also, pay attention to proportion. If you wear a voluminous garment on top, balance it with a tighter bottom and vice versa. Understand the dress code. Learn to decode dress codes for different events and occasions. From business casual to black tie, each occasion requires a specific level of attire. Familiarize yourself with common terms like smart casual, cocktail, or black tie to dress appropriately for any event you attend. Don't overlook the details. Details make a difference when it comes to dressing correctly. Pay attention to small details like accessories. An elegant watch, a well-coordinated belt, or a well-placed scarf can instantly elevate your look. Also, make sure to take care of your personal appearance, from hairstyle to well-groomed nails. Experiment and have fun. Don't be afraid to experiment with your style and try new things. Fashion is a form of personal expression, so have fun and be creative with your style. Try unexpected combinations, play with textures and patterns, and find what makes you feel most authentic and confident. Remember, fashion is about expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to be yourself. Adapt to the work environment. It's important to adapt your attire to the work environment. Research your company's dress culture and make sure to follow established norms. Opt for professional outfits that make you feel confident and prepared for any challenges you face at work. Take care of your personal image. In addition to clothing, it's important to take care of your overall personal image. Maintain good hygiene, take care of your skin and hair, and make sure to have a confident and secure posture. Your personal image says a lot about you, so make sure to project the best version of yourself at all times. Be mindful of the weather. Consider the weather conditions when choosing your outfit. Opt for lightweight and breathable fabrics in warm climates and look for additional layers and warm fabrics in cold climates. Stay prepared for any weather changes and adjust your attire accordingly. Invest in quality garments. Investing in quality garments is essential to build a lasting and stylish wardrobe. While they may be more expensive, well-made clothes tend to last longer and look better over time. Consider the quality of the fabric, craftsmanship, and details before making a purchase and choose pieces that are worth the investment. The importance of garment maintenance. Proper garment maintenance is essential to prolonging their lifespan and maintaining their impeccable appearance. Follow the care instructions on the garment labels, avoid overwashing and using harsh chemicals, and make minor repairs when necessary. With proper care, your favorite garments will accompany you for a long time. Dressing correctly is more than just following the latest trends, it's about expressing your personality and feeling confident in your own skin. With these tips in mind, you're ready to face any occasion with style and confidence. Remember to know your body, explore your personal style, and build a versatile wardrobe that makes you feel authentic in every outfit you choose. So go ahead, dress confidently, and leave a lasting impression wherever you go.